Good day, all engineers who want to build a career in marine engineering are welcome to the Institute of Maritime Studies. If you are bright, you are sincere, you have knowledge, and you are disciplined, your hard work can lead you to be a marine engineer. Joining the Institute of Maritime Studies in Goa would make you a marine engineer, which will be one of the best in the country. We have two courses, 1 year GME course and 2 years DME course. The graduates after their BTech can join in for the 1 year course, and the diploma students who completed their course can join in for a 2 years DME course. We have 80 seats for GME and 40 seats for DME. The process of admission has started from February this year for the batch starting on 1st of December 2021. Applications are already pouring in and we are looking for you to apply to us. The process follows: you have to visit our website www.imsgoa.org and fill the form online. The details are that you need to pay 3,000 rupees and register it onto the admission form with all your educational and personal details. Once we receive your admission form, your online test will be held in the month of August, and after that we come out with the results which will prepare you for the interview. The interviews are held in August for diploma and in September for the degree holders. After completion and shortlisting, the number of candidates coming in for the interviews will be limited compared to the ones who applied to us. The interviews will be taken by shipping companies, and this year we will be doing the online test, which will be from your home by video proctoring, and similarly the interview will be carried out in the same manner. Various shipping companies will be interested in selecting cadets to join Institute of Maritime Studies, and their company, they will be selecting you at the time of interviews in August and September. Every year we have many of the companies involved, and these companies are all standard foreign going companies with ships, with companies having ownership and manning companies. After you have completed the interview and you are shortlisted for IMS, either selected with a company or in the unplaced category, you will do your medical test. The medical test will be done by a DG approved doctor in the place which is close by to you or as decided by the company. Once this process is over and you are medically fit, you will be then asked to pay the fees. If it's a DME, then one first year fees, and if it is a GME, it is the full fees. And this is time in October when you have to pay the fees, and 1st of December we expect the course will begin, and 80 graduates and 40 diploma will join us. For a diploma candidate, the importance is that you are coming equivalent to a graduate once you join the ship. This helps you to build your career and being equivalent to him and the chief engineer, rising to the level of the chief engineer. All the best, and we expect to see you in IMS soon.